If you are wondering how long will POCO X8 Pro Max be supported, then the answer seems to be 6 years if we count security updates. So recently Xiaomi updated the policy regarding the support of the devices. Previously the standard policy was 3 years of major OS updates and 4 years of security updates, but now they have expanded that to additional 2 years, so now it's 5 years of Android updates or major Android upgrades, and also 6 years for security updates, which in theory means that the phone should receive 5 Android updates, which should end in 2031 if everything goes as planned. Of course, this can be extended if it has to be. And in the case of security updates, apparently it's going to end in 2032. Of course, the end of support may actually vary at the end of the day, simply because if it's necessary to move the end of date, the date of end of support, then of course Xiaomi is going to probably do that. So after all, you might be able to receive more updates than initially Xiaomi plans to release. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.